So hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. So in this video we wanted to make a follow camera. As a beginner maybe you think just assign the camera as a child of a player game object. It's working but let's see what will happen. As you can see right now my camera is following my player and it's working, but we have a few problems with it. First of all is it's so boring and solid and it's not actually kind of attractive. And the other problem is if I select the player and if I rotate it, the camera will rotate itself. But so most of the times we wanna actually rotate the player game object, and actually we don't wanna actually to rotate the camera as well. So Unity has a great solution for this problem, and it's called cinemachine. So what is cinemachine exactly? Is a Unity's package that has a lots of features and other cool stuff for customizing cameras. For installing this package, let's actually just go to the window package manager, and here just when you're in the Unity register, just search for the cinemachine. I've already installed the cinemachine, and this. Uh, I have this menu in here, and in this video we just we want actually to create a super simple camera follow, and the others would be up to you. And also the link is in the description for learning more about cinemachine and other stuff that are related to it. So now let's just create a new virtual camera. Just assign the camera. Let's go back to the scene, and maybe in the game view, the first two parameters follow and look at would be our player, because we want to just actually the camera follow our player and just look at it. And in body, let's actually select the third person follow and just play around with these numbers to actually get the true position for the camera. So in the rig, let's just play a layer by them. And I will change the field of view to 80 maybe. It's better. Like I said, in this video, we're actually to create a super simple camera follow. And these are lots of features and other stuff that you can use for your camera. And you can actually create a 2D camera for your 2D game. But in this case, I think it's perfectly fine, and let's just play it and see what will happen. As you can see, the camera will stop smoothly and it's perfect. Maybe if you're a beginner, you're thinking about writing code for a camera, but believe me, cinemachine is more than enough. It has a lots of features and other stuff. And this is the end of this video. If you enjoy, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And this video was just an introduction to the cinemachine, and if you're a beginner or not, cinemachine is really useful for you. So thank you again.